Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your color management is not working properly on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, if you're trying to modify your monitor's color profile and you're having issues with it. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, come back with settings, go ahead and open that up. On the left side, select system, and then on the right side, you want to select the display option. On the right side again now, scroll down underneath related settings and select advanced display. And then select display adapter properties for display, and then just go ahead and select that hyperlink there. And now that we're in here, select the color management tab, and then select the color management button. Now we're in here, go ahead and select the identify monitor option. And then once you have that currently selected, the one you want to modify or adjust in here, you can go ahead and actually add the ICC profile. You can actually add the ICC file by selecting the add option. However, if you're still having a problem, you're unable to add that perhaps, something else we can try here as well. You open up the search menu and type in device manager. Best result should come back with device manager. Go ahead and open that up. Double click on the display adapter section here, and then right click on your display adapter and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers, and then select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select a manufacturer specific one unless you have ones that are specified directly from the manufacturer or developer of the driver that you're looking to update. In which case then you just would select it and then select the next option. And then once you're done, go ahead and close out of here. And I would suggest restarting your computer. And then hopefully at this point your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.